And when you get to your home table, put your hands on the table. Okay, we're getting close. Okay, this is our one and only heat for middle school competition. Okay. Coaches, when you are ready, you may start the competition. Turn. There's no pressure that an elementary school did this in 3 minutes and 17 seconds. And we are moving right along. Looks like Somerset has the first one complete. They've got 3 complete. Our Lady of Las Vegas celebrating International Baby Day. Pacifiers and all. They're on the board. Looks like they've got 4 complete down here. Foothills on the board. Hyde Park with an interesting strategy. About 12 of them are 70% solved. Interesting. Looks like 6 or 7 here at the Cashman table. They're at 13 solved at Somerset Academy. Cashman suddenly is down to their last one. Holy smokes, that was interesting strategy. Hyde Park finished at 2:02. 2:30 over here at the Cashman table. 2 minutes and 2 seconds at Hyde Park, 2:30 at Cashman. Somerset down to their final 2. Oh, that was good. Finished simultaneously. They're done. First, second, and third down here over the end. They've got 6 left at the Foothills table. And it looks like 6 left at the Our Lady table. We're going to have a photo finish down the home stretch. Looks like we've got 3 left, 2 left at the Our Lady table. The last 2.